guys? And we're back with another Palmer Compound episode. If you guys haven't been following us on Instagram, Palmer Compound, we just dropped our new event day. So we host a pit bike race each year, and November 5th we will be doing a full pit bike race at the compound. This is your chance to come race pit bikes. Anyone can come, or just simply come hang out, watch the event. It's always good racing, and excited to show you guys the track we have for this year. It's actually pretty crazy. So we're gonna go test it out, make sure it's all dialed in, and obviously we'll be putting out more and more videos each week as we get closer to the race. But November 5th, you guys all better be there. I'll drop the flyer in the video, and let's go check it out. This is a crazy sight right here.
Yeah, we rode a little bit yesterday, but we are back on the bikes.
Yeah, Kyson dislocated his shoulder at Loretta's, which is what, like a month ago?
A month and a half
Been
ago.
doing some physical therapy, riding the trials bike, and gonna go see how it goes.
Do you not leave me any gas?
There's gas.
I think I gotta mix gas in this thing.
Kyson claims he built the whole track, but I actually was a big part of it.
This time you helped a little bit more, but still not a lot.
See if he hits it. How is it?
It's fun.
You hit the big jump yet?
Not yet, I'm scared. I was waiting for you.
I think second gear, just a quick, I'd say you gotta go pretty quick.
Okay, Lloyd is right. It's a little, it's quick out of the turn.
Hard?
No, I haven't done it yet.
You haven't hit it?
Dude, I'll hit it.
I was waiting.
First go. Wicked. Yeah. I mean, if you case it, you're just casing it in soft dirt.
You hit it from over by the shop.
I was ripping the other one.
First glimpse of the track. Riley's gonna take us on a hot lap right now. Track hasn't been completed yet. You're pretty wicked, huh?
I was waiting. I didn't shift from the turn, but that was sketchy.
Was that third or second gear?
Second.
Okay, I think maybe a seat bounce would get her over.
Yeah, or a shift out of the turn.
To third?
No, from first to second.
First to second, yeah. That was sick. That was a track's looking pretty good.
No, it's good.
Once we get that section dialed in, it'll be perfect. We got like outdoor section, lots of elevation changes. Glen Helen replica, baby. All right, let's see how this goes. We haven't rode pit bikes that often lately, so it'll be cool to see. Riley's gonna give it a try. Take two, here we go. Oh, you gotta grab that right out of it.
Now I'm scared, you do it.
Hey, I bet Lloyd hits it first lap. Oh! First lap, Lloyd hit it! Oh, he's going for it.
Oh! Jump's pretty freaking big, boys. Don't have a kickstand. Alright, that was fun.
That was a good time.
4 laps, you already got a flat.
Hey.
Hey, that's karma for not helping on the track, buddy.
I was watering.
Let's go see what Caden's doing.
Alright.
Hey, stop running me over, bro. Oh, there's still left.
Oh.
I thought there was none left.
Kickstand.
I don't have a kickstand, bro.
Dude, my chain kept falling off, so I thought it was time for I to take a link or two out. I guess today was just made for pitter work.
Flat tire.
Just can't let us have fun riding. We have to fix them.
This thing's about to fall off the stand. Oh!
Oh, Trip's already saucing it and we can't even freaking hit it. Trip's been out here while we've been working on pitters. Caden's still working on his pit bike. Dude!
The leg slash!
Hopefully he got his bike put together right. Nice, nice. Hey, he's not starting from the corner, so. Oh, that's everything it has from the corner. Caden's getting her down. Lapper in the way. Oh! Get out of the way, dude, there's a blue flag. Oh my, Caden just goes running. What? ride, boy.
So fun.
Dude, track slips is sick. The new dirt is fire.
What about when I click that rock?
Oh, you're gonna blame it on the rock? Nice.
There's a rock right in my scrub line. I've been getting sketchy. Like, I've never felt uncomfortable, but I feel uncomfortable. I forgot to tighten those bolts.
Alright, we are now taking applications for a mechanic.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. We can't even freaking ride. Well, I can because I know how to work on my stuff. Rudy's back with the green seat and blue seat on a Honda.
It's a Yamasaki CRF 110. Oh, it's tripling. Here we go.
Double, double. Oh! The Ronster got it. I'm about over filming, so I'm gonna go ride.
Yeah, go get it, because I'll film it.
What are you doing?
Want me to hold it?
What are you doing?
What do I do with my hands?
Nick. Oh goodness, Rudy got a freshie helmet.
Crashy.
Let's
That was
go.
scratches today.
Dude, you guys have spent more time working on your bikes than riding them. You're supposed to work on them before you get to the track. Let's see if Rudy hits it this round. Here he goes. Got it! Oh! He clicked third gear, dude. What is he thinking?
Oh, no.
That's not a shifter, that's actually a kickstand.
I meant kickstand. Too tired, I can't see.
That was sketchy. Look at the ruts already. They're getting deep. I swear I'm dragging my pegs through them. Those are getting pretty deep. You keep casing it.
Dude, I can't. It's hard to find a line. The second, don't shift.
You know you got it. Let's see it.
No shifting allowed.
Go, go, go! Nice! Oh, money.
Dude, they just don't want us to ride these bikes today.
No. Dude. It's not your valve stem.
Freaking brakes don't work, tires pop. Took this tire off 4 times today.
Yeah, it sucks. Put my bike right here and go grab me a water.
And that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're super excited for November 5th to host another pit bike race at the compound. So if you guys have all wanted to be at the compound, check it out in person. November 5th is your chance, and you can race your pit bike. Everyone's invited, spectators, racers. So be sure to follow Palmer Compound on Instagram for more updates leading up to the event. And we'll be taming the track, obviously, so it's not as crazy. This was just kind of a first glimpse, start in progress. So we'll be uploading videos throughout the next couple weeks leading up to the event and keep you guys all updated. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, we appreciate your guys' support, and we'll see you guys next time.